Keep your feet wide. Butt's tight. Mama, you're on the floor. You're touching your feet. Now that you're out of my life, I'm so much better. You thought that I'd be weak without you, but I'm stronger. You thought that I'd be broke without you, but I'm richer. You thought that I'd be sad without you, I am harder. I wouldn't grow without you, now I'm wiser. All right, make sure that you are pushing against those bands, legs are wide, while you're doing this. Flip yourself over for JJ's. Feet are back in your stirrups, hurry, hurry. Mama, you're doing leg ups and pressing out. Into your JJ position. Keep those abs strong. Let me flip myself so I can see you guys better. All right, get up, get up. Let me see you. In 4, 3, 2, go. Whoop. Tighten your glutes. Glutes are tight. Squeeze. You got this, Erin. You got this, Twyla. Go, Daisy Duke. 5 seconds left. All right, next one is mountain climbers. So those who are doing the first exercise, this exercise are doing mountain climbers. Mama, you are doing the knee to elbow. Ready, set, go. Go, go, go. Mountain climber. Good job, Alita. Pull, 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 pull. Woo! Amazing. You guys are going to do plank rockers. Mama, you're doing crunches. So here's crunches for Mama. You guys, we're doing plank rockers.
She can't do it. Her lower back hurts too much.
To do a plank crunch?
Yeah, she can't lie on her back. We'll talk later.
Roll it out. Good in your plank, ladies. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Good job. Try not to go down, Betty. Forward and backward. Put your hands right underneath your shoulders. That's it. Don't go down. Go forward and backwards. Here's forward and backwards. From the ball is your foot forward. All right, guys, I want to make a correction right here. I see a lot of people not doing this one right. So I'm seeing this. That's not it. Watch my butt not move except for a vertical plane, a horizontal plane. I'm rolling from my feet to my toes, from my balls to my toes. All right, we are going to our hamstring slide. Keep your legs wide. Hi, Lisa. Keep those legs wide. Come up. Lift up. Legs are wide, butt is tight. Gonna press out. Abs are strong and tight. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Lift, out. legs really wide. Squeeze your heel to your butt. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. All right, flip yourself over for your JJs. I know this one is tough. When you're doing this, make sure your legs are wide and you are squeezing your heels to your glute as you were doing your hamstring slide. Now in your JJs, the hips stay up, abs are tracked in. You're going to feel it in your glutes. Keep those glutes nice and tight. In 5, 4, here's what it looks like. Glutes are tight. Squeeze your glute each way. It's still tight even when you bring your legs in. 3, 2, 1, and go. Squeeze, squeeze, abs tight. Woo! 7 more seconds, we're there. Perfect. All right, next one is mountain climbers. While you're doing those JJs, you should be feeling it in your quads and your abs and your glutes. Mountain climbers are next. Back up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly,
Good job. Alita, try and bring your butt down. You're using your back too much. Yes. Awesome. Alana, you could do this against a chair instead of the floor. Good job, Twyla. Twyla, we want to try and get those elbows to our knees, not just rotate our knees while we're doing this. We want to get them to our knees while we're doing it. All right, next one is plank rockers or crunches. Plank rockers or crunches. Take it nice and tight. Abs are so strong. Glute is still tight. Don't let it go. Legs are tight and wide on your band. Not loving the music. Roll it. Good job. Awesome, Christy. Good job, Erin. Alana, you got this. Do your crunches. All right. Third Tabata. We're going into our hamstring slides. You guys got this. If the hamstring slide is too much for you, lift up and just tap your foot out. But when you draw it back, I want you to squeeze the glute. Squeeze the heel to the glute.
Telling me who I'm supposed to be. Way too good at camouflage. Can't see what I am, I just see what I'm not.
Keep those legs wide, you got it.
About everything that I eat. Feeling myself as a felony. Jedi level sabotage. Voices in my head become my entourage. Cause I'm a black belt, but I'm beating up on myself. But I'm an expert, but you love to somebody else.
Whoops. All right. Mountain climbers are, JJs are next. Flip yourself over, get the sip of your water if you want it. How's everybody doing? This is a challenging workout. You guys got this. All right, so JJs are next. When you're elevated, I want you to squeeze your butt the whole time. As you're pushing out, I want you to like squeeze against the outside. Good job, Twyla. Let's do it, ladies. In 5, 4, 3, 2, whoops. Go. Squeeze, in, out, in, out, in. You can add speed if you want to. Woo, you got this. 5 more seconds left. Awesome. All right. Your next one is mountain climbers. Drawing those knees into your chest. Getting ready in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Draw it in. Keep those legs wide. Keep them wide.
I live in a fantasy, only like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Feel like a catastrophe, cause she knows she can fly away. Oh,
Awesome.
she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down.
Knee to elbow works too. Watch that back, Twyla. Don't let it go too high. All right, our next one is either plank rocker or crunches. I know, Alita. Give me a high five, girl. I know, you're doing it, you're doing it. Plank rocker or crunches. In 5, 4, 3, 2, here we go. Keep those legs nice and wide. Rock forward and back. Inhale back, exhale forward. Inhale back. Bring those belly buttons up into your spine, nice and tight. Even pressure on both hands. There you go. Keep it nice and even. Connecting that breath, that body, that spirit. We only have 10 more seconds left. Girls, you got this. You are the power girls. Butt is tight. Awesome. What round are you in? Woohoo! Get ready. Hamstrings. Here we go. In 4, 3, 2, lift up. Squeeze that heel to your butt. You're almost there, ladies. Last round. Flip it over. Get ready for your JJs. Finding that breath. You're doing awesome. 3 more exercises. You are the power girls. Pat yourself. Over for JJs. Feet down. Keep the band tight. Lift up in your plank. In 5, 4, deep breath, 3, 2, 1, begin. 13. Hustle can be so rough, be so deep. Hold on.
10 seconds left. Woo! Mountain climbers are next, or you're doing knees to elbow. Anybody getting a little sweaty out there? Anybody finding this a little challenging? We got this in 4, 3, 2, mountain climbers. Bring it in, bring it in. Finding that breath the whole way. Inhale, exhale. I see a lot of us have decided to go on our backs. That's fine. Tap, tap, tap. Reach it. Reach. Press that belly down. Don't just lay on your back. Active engagement. Let those quads feel it. You press against those bands. Work it, ladies. 40 seconds. This is your time. Plank rocker is next. Is anybody going to do plank rockers, or are we doing ab crunches? Looks like we are doing ab crunches. Okay. Legs are wide. Hands are by the ears. Small presses. Lift up through the butt and blow out. Continuous. Blow, 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 blow. Keep it tight. Abs down.
Know your place. Shut up and smile.
Open those legs. Press against your booty band. Press that belly button down, simultaneously squeezing that glute. Your nose is geared towards your band. You have 10 seconds left. Yes, you got this.
If I don't take something, if I just
Amazing.